One change.
Hi guys, my name is Rudraksh in Steadfast spoken English classes. Today's my topic is disease. What is disease? The disease spread is called disease. There are mainly two types of disease: the communicable disease and non-communicable disease. What is communicable disease? The disease that spread very fastly is called communicable disease. And what is non-communicable disease? The disease that is not spread very fastly is called non-communicable disease. There are example of non-communicable disease is typhoid, diarrhea, and the second name of communicable disease is called contagious disease. And modes of transmission. Everyone knows that what is modes of transmission and what is transmission, the spread. First, food and water. Now there are 2 points: eat fresh food and drink plenty of water. Don't eat dirty food and don't eat smell and color water. And second, directly and indirectly contact. Directly and indirectly contact means if we fell ill, and laziness is called directly and indirectly contact. Third, air. Everyone knows that germs are present in wind. The germs are present in wind that goes in our mouth and it harm our stomach. And fourth is that swine flu. Everyone knows that what is swine flu. Nowadays there are swine flus and many people are dying in swine flus. Why swine flu is spread? Because of pig. And thank you. My conclusion is never eat dirty food, eat fresh food and drink plenty of water and drink in a day 6 and 8 glass of water. So subscribe the bell icon and subscribe. Thank you, sir.
One change.